then please get yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. And allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Remembering again that each and every time you hear me say the words deep sleep, with your permission and only with your permission, you allow yourself to return to this depth or even deeper, 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 quickly, soundly, deeply. And the physical body relaxes, and with that relaxation comes a wonderful sense of calm well-being of body and mind. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. However you choose to experience that. You might see mountains over here and over there, a view of the ocean. And over someplace else, you may see a buffet with all kinds of great food. And over here is a garden with all kinds of beautiful flowers. And just imagine that there's some other people there saying, well, here, you have to go and experience this, or you can't experience that. Telling you what you should do, where you should be, maybe even telling you how you should feel, or even how you should feel about yourself. And just allow yourself to be aware of the feelings that come up around that. There may be anger and resentment. There may be guilt and shame. There may be sadness. There may be all kinds of different emotions that come up. And just allow yourself to stand there for a moment. Take a big, deep breath in and hold it. And as you let go of those feelings. And just allow yourself to feel peace. And it just creates this space between you and these people. And so all of this energy they're pushing towards you, it just dissipates. It can't reach you. Allowing yourself to imagine a healing light inside, this loving light inside. And with each breath you take now, that light expands and grows, filling your torso, going down through your legs, through your feet into the earth, up into your shoulders and out through your arms, through your fingertips, up through your neck and your head, until you're just filled with this loving, healing light, and it just radiates outwards. And all of their directions about what you should do and what you can have and what you should feel and how you should feel about yourself, it just can't penetrate this loving energy going out. And just allow yourself to smile. Continuing to release any old programming about why you should let them direct you, why you should let them control how you feel or behave. And allowing yourself to do this in the most compassionate, loving way. Just releasing any power that they have over you. Letting it go. Allowing yourself to feel more and more freedom. More and more freedom to go where you want to go, to see what you want to see. They're welcome to go see what they want to see. And no matter who they are, you're under no obligation to experience everything they say that they want to experience or that you should experience. This is your life. Give yourself permission to choose what you want. And again, sending them loving, healing light and energy as much as possible, not out of a sense of obligation. Just giving yourself permission to feel more and more freedom to be able to do that, because that means that joy and love and peace and healing is what's inside of you. And allow yourself the freedom to look around and see what you choose. And here's the thing, choosing what's truly right for you is a gift for them as well. And even though there may be some people in your life that you may feel, I don't want to give them a gift, give yourself permission to give them this gift, because it's a bigger gift for you as well. Allowing yourself to really feel that freedom. Allowing yourself to peacefully say to them, you don't get to control me anymore. Not even how you feel about yourself. Allow yourself, as you feel that loving light inside, to know you are worthy and deserving of love. And not everyone's going to be able to give that to you. And that doesn't mean that you're not worthy of love. Not only do these other people not get to decide what you do and where you go, they also don't get to define you. In this beautiful place, go ahead and imagine a full-length mirror. And in that mirror, see the ideal image of yourself. Your ideal image of yourself, not what other people say it should be, but seeing a version of yourself that is strong, confident, healthy, joyful. That's the real you. And maybe for so long, other people have been holding up mirrors, telling you what you should see. And just, again, compassionately leaving that in the past. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is sleep. And again, look in that mirror where you see your ideal image of yourself, the real you, the masterpiece that might still be partially hidden under marble. Allow yourself to get clear about who you are, who you really are, and who you're allowing yourself to become. And there are more than enough people who will love this person. More than enough people that you will belong with. There is love here in this world for you. And the best love is the love that you get for who you really are. Allowing yourself to feel even more love for yourself. As we go even deeper now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is sleep. In a moment, I'm going to count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before, much more loving toward yourself, with a much greater freedom to choose the life that you want, to choose joy and health and love. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into that ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now go back down to 0, which is always sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all of these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.